Welcome to J2EE tutorials. In this tutorials, we can see how to insert data to the database using the web application with Servlet and JSPs. So here in this tutorial, we can create. We have created with index.jsp. So go to that index.jsp. Under this index.jsp, I can go with the head 4 tag. So here I can go with the employee details, or I can go with employee. Simply I'll go with employee. So after this I can go with a list tag, which is of type unordered list, and here I'll go with list. So I will go with href equals to insert record.jsp. So I will go with insert record.jsp, and it should be create new employee. So after this I can go with one more list tag. ahref equals to display record.jsp, and here I can go with display employees. So this is up to this index.jsp. Just run this application now. Alright, I have this application running right now, so which is create new employee and display employee. If I go for create new employee, I don't find any JSP application which is called insert record. So we need to create this JSP application right now. So to create the JSP application, so go for the web pages and right click on the web pages and go for the new one JSP. So here it should be insert record. So don't go for the extension will automatically takes here. So that's called insert record.jsp. So this is fine now, so finish it. So I'll find, so again the record, again the JSP file that is called insert record. So to this JSP file, I'm going to edit with a table here. Go for the tr tag. This is a tr again. I can go for td, that is id, and here I go with the td, that is called input type equals to text, name equals to id. So after this, so I will go with one more row. We'll go with 4 rows. So we have the 4 columns in a sample DB database. Let's check this one. Sample DB, here it is. Click on this one and click on the sample DB. So go for the sample DB database. Under the table is supposed to be emp. This is ID, ename, designation, and salary. Okay. So here what I need to do is I put name, and it is ename. I can go for ename. So here it is a designation, where it is supposed to be again designation. DSG I can go with. Here it is salary. Here it is SEL. That's it. And after this, what I need to do is I need to put this table under the form tag. Form action equals to insert data, and method equals to post. After this one, I can go with one more row, that row having only data for one column, that is input type equals to submit and value equals to submit. So this is the JSP application that we need right now. So this JSP application will be linked to this index.jsp, that is called insert record.jsp. So once I click on that insert record, it will take me to the insert record.jsp, and there I will find this output of this JSP, so which will accept the value for ID, name, designation and salary, and forward the request to the insert data. So here we need to create a servlet called insert data. So this is supposed to be a servlet. So I can go with one servlet here. I right click on the web pages and go for the new one, servlets. Here the servlet is supposed to be insert data. Click on next. So for the servlet we need web.xml, which is called the deployment descriptor. So I can put information to the deployment descriptor and finish it. So this is the servlet which we have created right now. So I will delete all the unwanted comments. So here I can go with catch exception E. Then I can go with these methods, do get, and this is do post and get servlet info. And this is called insert data, which is extending a HTTP servlet, and this servlet has been created for input the data to the database for MySQL. So here we have a link to this insert data using this action, this form action. That means whenever the form has been clicked, that the submit button has been clicked, it will take me to the insert data, and the data on the whatever the parameter that is passed through this JSP will be read by the requester to get parameter method, and method we are using that is called post method. So in the next tutorial we can see how to insert data to the database.